Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both tools and habits so you avoid rework. First, pick a competent editor with playback speed control and timestamping. This speeds the loop rewind cycle. Next, confirm audio quality and use noise reduction or headphones so you actually hear every word. Then, load or create a template with speaker labels and a short abbreviation list to maintain consistency. Once done, open the file, set playback to 0, 9.1, 1x, and begin an initial skim pass to mark unclear sections. You now enter the productive middle where process matters most. Transcribe in short segments, 20 to 60 seconds, so mental load stays low, and review each block immediately to catch context errors. Make heavy use of keyboard shortcuts. Quick rewind, slow playback, and timestamp insertion save minutes per hour. Use placeholders for uncertain words and flag timestamps. This prevents stumbling and keeps momentum. Once you complete the first pass, export a draft file and prepare to clean up grammar, speaker consistency, and any flagged uncertain words. You finish by polishing and validating the transcript so it's accurate and usable. Do a clean read-through to correct grammar, confirm speaker labels, and normalize punctuation and timestamps. Then play the file at a slightly faster speed, 1.25, to catch missed repetitions and awkward phrasing. If parts remain unintelligible, isolate short clips and ask the speaker or use a denoiser, because brute force listening wastes time. If time is tight, prioritize sections by importance and flag low confidence lines for later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.